mawake wakhuluma lo Doti othi Orlando Pirates itheke igame kwi-Orbit College fanele uliyeke ibhola ungaphindi ulikhuluma shuthi ikhanda lakhe alisebenzi kahle kahle yabo so ibhola lishela amabhozo shuthi inhloko yakho nje ayisebenzi lokwangempela impela ngangimangala ukuthi waye England i-playoff final yokudlala lokhuza kwi-Premier League beyibiza the most valuable game. It is the most valuable game mangabe uyibuka kahle. Ukwini league eSouth Africa iPSL u25 million rand, ukwini NFD u5 million. But ukuthenga istatus sePSL ila ko 60 to 80 million rand, yabo. So do you think iOrbit College iyafuna ukuluza u80 million ukuhlala kuPSL due to izinto ezi-attract ukuhlala kuPSL ngenxa yomuntu ozowina u20 million? Maxa ngePirates kahle ukuthenga umuntu ukuthi ehle eye kwi-NFD yamthenga ngamalini ukuze wina u20 million, yamthenga ngo40 million mhlambe, yayenza profit noma yenzanga. And mawucabanga nje njenga Richards Bay for instance, i-attracta malini because the sponsors are going to be on TV every day njengoba ixhaswe iParkway Gas, they're going to be on TV every day. Ama-salaries abadlali akhuphuka about maybe 10 times, 8 times, 6 times, yabo, ukusuka ku-NFD uye kwi-PSL akhuphuka kakhulu. Amahhotela ase-Richards Bay ayabenefitha nga-Kaizer Chiefs, ngabalandeli ayabenefitha ngabadlali. I-airport iyabenefitha because manje i-airport yalapha siya-operate due to the fact that they've got a team eku-PSL. Ngokufika kwe-Pirates, ngokufika kwe-Sundowns, ngokufika kwe-Chiefs laphana kukhuphuka umnotho wasendaweni, kukhuphuka umnotho wakho wena. Umuntu i-grant ye-PSL is a lot. It's almost close to imali le ngo2 months imali lo sokuzoyiwina maku-NFD. Nakho kungekho guaranteed ukuthi ma-NFD uzoyiwina. So ikhanda lakho liyasebenza kahle hle, liyasebenza ikhanda lakho. So iOrbit College yaluza i-status sika 70 million for ukuthi umuntu awine u20 million. Lo muntu wabribe ngamalini mawucabanga. Wabribe ngamalini lo muntu lo ukuze awine u20 million. Futhi yena wakhipha u50 million ukuze awine u20 million ukuthi yehla nawo 50 million ngiyakuthenga, I'm buying you out of the league so that I win a trophy. The reality of the matter is the Orbit College were not ready to play with PSL. Hence, Sundowns got 6 points from them. Chiefs got 6 points. The Pirates got 6 points. There was nothing strange there. Should ikhanda lakho kahle kahle alisebenzi. Mawuke wathi nje wena iPirates ithenge umuntu ukuthi aluze status ka 60 million ukuze wina 20 million. Imthenge ngamalini? Imthenge ngo5 million. Lo abekade ezowenza ngo2 months kuPSL ngegrant. La ezowenza ngo1 day kuPSL mangabe edlala neChiefs. Ukuthi ithikithi libizwa 100 rand kuzogela abantu about 20,000. Kuzogcwala istadium ubezowenza lo 20 million lo shuthi ikhanda lakho kahle kahle alisebenzi.